Pick somewhere, anywhere.
Here is good.
Here.
I choose this spot.
Here is good.
All right, let's go. You have my speed.
With our power!
All right.
Ready? Go wild.
Oh, level up.
Oh, found some items. Moves in 30 seconds. I repeat, 30 seconds.
All right. Level up. Oh, I'm ready. Level up. Oh, level up.
Everyone's in the safe area. Excellent.
Found some items.
Oh. Level up.
Someone's
Does anyone need these items?
There are some tough hardcore brawlers out here.
Can I take this?
Oh, found some items.
Civilian evacuee rescued.
I'll take that. All right. I've rescued a civilian. Oh!
Civilian evacuee rescued.
The safe area.
Civilian evacuee rescued.
I've rescued a civilian. Rest assured. Thank you! Rescue complete! Quickly! I've rescued a civilian. I'll protect you.
An item box appears.
Just in time.
Finders keepers.
I'll persist. Rest assured. All right. Safety first.
Hey-o.
Does anyone
Safe
need these
area
items?
changes in 30 seconds.
Can I take this?
Hustle.
Yeah. Oh. No issues.
Level up.
Everyone's in the safe area.
Attention! The team's within. Everybody better step it up.
Is this? All right.
Three teams left. A moment of weakness could mean defeat, so stay on your guard.
Hey. There. Yeah. Level up.
Only two teams left.
I'll take it.
Who end up victorious?
Take that. Oh.
Found some items.
Yeah. Level up. Level up.
Level up! All right. Take that! Level up! You gotta move! Pay attention if you want to stay alive! Level up! The stalemate is finally over! No more! Going in! I'll stop you! Take it into gear!
Some allies haven't made it to the safe area.
It's not your fault. We're just playing on different levels.
No more! Busting through! Not yet!
Enemies, be on alert.
Come on, Lex! Going in!
Sorry. I can't keep going.
Guard!
I'll get you somewhere safe.
Enemy attack.
Sorry.
Stay alert.
Not yet!
I'll get you somewhere safe.
Sorry. Midoriya.
Bravo! Bravo! There's an item box! This is it! Quickly to get stepped up! Ha! Game set! Ah, amazing! Bravo! Bravo! You are the greatest heroes! I approve! With all I've got! I'm the class rep! A high score! You really know your stuff!